Welcome back. We're still with the champs, the DLSU Lady Spikers. Coach Noel, let me start with you. Meron tayong usapan, I think a couple of years ago or 3 years ago na parang mas sinasabi mo sa akin, mahirapan itong season na to. Ang liabi lagi, libero, setter, yung ganyan. Lagi mo sinasabi sa akin yan. Anong grade nito this year? Nung libero setter mo this year? Ang taas-taas ng standards nyo! Ang taas ng standards nyo! At,
Actually, ano naman eh.
pero lagi mong sinasabi sa akin yan dati.
Kasi yun nga yun, magka-partner yung libero at setter talaga sa game eh. So pag maganda yung nilalaro ng libero, maganda yung ilalaro ng setter. So far, commendable naman kahit papaano.
Commendable!
So,
meron pa next year.
Hopefully, next year,
Gaganda pa
mas
lalo.
gumanda pa lalo yung connection.
Right.
So, may mga times naman talaga na minsan off yung laro ng libero, so nadadamay yung setter. So, ano naman, since rookie naman yung setter namin,
Yes.
talagang kailangan alalayan mo. So, ano naman, kahit pa paano nakakabalik. Pag binigyan ni coach ng time yung libero na ilabas, at least makita niya yung bigger picture na nasa labas siya kung ano nangyayari. Kaya pag binalik siya, alam niya na gagawin niya. So, commendable.
Okay, good. Passing now.
Nice, congratulations.
Can I ask Amy a question? Do you mind if I take a question for
Okay,
Amy?
sure. She's all yours.
Yes. Why were you so emotional this year? Parang, di ba, you were fighting a lot of, parang in your words, di ba, parang daming mga sinasabi, daming mong dinidisprove. Why were you so emotional about the win this year and all the conversations about you?
Siguro because of the heartbreak din. The past 2 seasons na na-experience ko. So, sobrang lalim lang talaga ng hugot for me. And yun, sa batchmates ko din, parang sila din yung, parang pinanghuhugutan ko ng lakas talaga na, parang, after nung season 87 nga, parang ang daming nagsiiyakan nung natalo nga kami. And then, parang pinanghugutan ko na, we need to parang keep working hard. Kasi parang next season, hindi na namin hahayaan na mangyari to. So parang binubuhos ko yung my all every game talaga para matulungan yung team. And yun nga, I'm very happy na nakuha namin yung championship this season.
Good
kasi
emotion na to. Okay na to.
Yes.
Very good emotion. Okay, P.
So, Angel, getting motivation from that season 87 heartbreak, how does it feel like as a senior na you got this final series in straight sets na sweep nyo din?
Actually, sobrang parang hindi, up until now, parang hindi pa rin po kami makapaniwala talaga kami seniors. Sa lahat po nangyari nung season 88 po talaga, parang tinatanong pa rin namin na, wow, ginawa ba natin yun as a team? Parang, ay, nakaya pala namin yun. Kasi nga, ayun nga po sabi nila, parang every year tumataas po yung level ng volleyball po.
Correct, yeah.
And kahit po yung mga teams ngayon, wala na pong mahina sa volleyball eh. Lahat talaga malalakas na po. Kaya masaya po kami na nakaya po namin each team. And masaya din po kami na binigyan din po kami talaga ng mahirap na season po ng mga kalaban. But at the same time po, as senior po talaga, parang ito medyo maluwag na po sa feeling namin na nakuha po namin yung championship. And of course, mas gusto pa namin ibigay yung best po namin as seniors. Kaya willing kaming apat to stay talaga, to prove more sa ginawa namin ngayon. Kasi pressure talaga siya, especially sa amin pong seniors kasi na-sweep po namin. Maganda po yung run namin. Pero at the same time, I believe po kasi kahit na-sweep po namin, ang dami naming pinagdaanan. Ang dami naming ups and downs individually and teams sa team po talaga. Kaya kung anong nangyari po ngayon, magiging hugot din po siya sa upcoming season po. And ayun, happy lang po kami seniors talaga na na-experience po namin yun.
So, intact, defending champions, like, how do you guard against complacency? Kasi nangyari na naman sa inyo to. Nag-champion na kayo, tapos natalo the next year, naranasan mo rin yun, di ba? Natalo, panalo. ang goal of obviously is back-to-back. So I guess my question to you is, from your personal standpoint, paano nyo i-raise pa yung level from your standpoint?
Sa akin kasi, lagi kong iniisip is to succeed is to struggle. Para, wait lang ako na to. Kay Shabana. Hindi, parang lagi kong iniisip na mas sobra-sobra pa yung ginagawa ng kalaban. Parang ganun. And lagi ko rin may na mindset, okay, nanalo na kami ng championship. So next season naman, wala namang team na nagtitraining for second place. Parang lahat ng team gusto mag-champion. So yun lang po yung parang may na mindset namin. Tinatanggal namin yung complacency sa katawan namin.
Lilay, this is your first championship. And I've been seeing this video online where Doc Joe approached you last season saying na next year gold na. And now finally you got it. You are a UAAP champion this season 88. When you look back in the future, how will you remember this championship? What does it mean for you?
Your first.
For me, it's a very emotional win, considering it's my first championship nga po. And nung rookie year ko, parang naging step ladder siya from bronze, silver to gold.
Yeah.
Parang pinanghuhugutan ko talaga yung last season kasi ang dami po talaga nangyari noon. Individually nga po and as a team. Yung championship na to kasi parang ito yung pinaghirapan namin as a team, lahat. Parang hindi siya naging madali. Kahit na sa paningin ng iba, ang smooth sailing ng season na to, hindi po talaga. Walang madaling panalo. Yun yung palaging sinasabi ni Coach. Parang if I'll be looking back, parang sasabihin ko na kinaya ko pala despite having a lot of struggles, despite of having ups and downs, kinaya ko pala. And proud ako sa sarili ko na hindi ako nag-give up. And nandito pa rin ako, champion ako. Kasama ng mga artists ito, kasama sila. Super happy ako na sila yung kasama ko kasi lagi itong sinasabi ni Ate Laika na parang yung team na meron kasi kami, hindi lang basta teammates kami. As in, yung love namin for each other, yung care namin for each other, sobrang genuine na talagang aalalayan namin bawat isa. So parang I feel like ayun din yung nagpanalo sa amin this season. So super grateful ako, sila yung kasama ko. And ito na rin yung tradition and culture na build ni Coach Ramil. And I'm happy I'm part of it.
You know what they say, if it was easy, it wouldn't be worth it, di ba? I gotta squeeze in one quick question and one quick answer from you, Shavana. If, let's say, you didn't win, are you guys coming back? Was it dependent on the win of the championship? Or, I see that smile, or now that you're coming back, and I'm sure you want to go back-to-back.
For us seniors, if I'm gonna be honest, I think from the very beginning, from rookie year, we always knew that we were gonna stay 5
All right,
years.
there you go. That's all we needed to hear. Congratulations, champions! De La Salle University back on top, number 13. Lucky number 13.
Yes,
Lucky
lucky
number 13.
for you guys.
Thank you,
Congratulations.
Coach. Maraming salamat for being here. Thank you very much.